Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of photos like the god Shiva and the lots of god are standing beside you in your tough moment. So how to create this type of image, I will show you in my mobile screen. You can go to my Telegram channel High Tech Talk, and for female you can see this is a prompt, and for the male version this is a prompt. Or else you can go to my Instagram account and comment in this post as male or a female, and I will send you the prompt in your Instagram DM. So let me know if you need any more help. Thanks, and thanks for watching this video.